Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday, yes, new week, Monday, April the 4th, 2022. We have here in this additional with extra puzzles, 6 puzzles or Sudokus. First one is a letter Sudoku, then we have a 2 stars Sudoku, then we have a 3 star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzles. And those puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. Those are the Sudoku with 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. But first, we will solve this Sudoku with 3 stars. Number 4358. 4358. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25. 3 stars Sudoku has always 25 printed digits. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have 2 twos. We have 3 threes. We have here 3 fours. 3 fives. 2 sixes. 3 sevens. 4 eights. Okay. 4 eights and 2 nines. Alright, so let's get started with the 8. Can I use the 8? Yes, the 8 in the third row. The 8 in the first row. So the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes here. An 8 in this row, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second column, so no 8 in this box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Okay. Then let me see. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 6. Alright. 4 in this last row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the 4 should be there. Then, I cannot continue with the 4. I need to wait. How about the number? Let me see which number I can pick. 6, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in these two boxes here. 3 in this row, so no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have a 1 and a 7 in this row. So no 1 and a 7 in these two boxes. The 1 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. All right. 1 box left in this first column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. All right. Okay. Then. Let me think. How about the 1 in this first row, the 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then interesting. Yeah. 1. Okay. Right. How about these 2 missing numbers in the second row? For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 5 it goes there. Okay. 2, 9, 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2, 9, 2 and 9. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 4. All right. Okay. 7, 9, and 6. 6. 6. And now. 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. Then 9 and 5. Yes. 4 missing numbers. In this row, 2 of those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in this big square, so no 9 and 5 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 5, 9 and 5. Let me mark those. So what are the other 2 numbers in this row? For numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, 3, 3. And then 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, and a 6. 6, 6, okay. Well. 7, 7. I'm thinking. 7, 7. 1 and 2. Come on. How about 6, 6. 6, 6. 3, 3, 3, 3. 9, 2. 5, 5. 5, 5. 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. I'm thinking. 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this column, so no 5 in that box. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Okay. Now I need to wait for more information. How about? Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there in the third column, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. So 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6, it goes there. Alright. Then 1 number left in the second column for the number 1. Yeah, the 1 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and the 6. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. All right. 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9. How about 2 numbers left in this column. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and the 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so last column, only place left for the 7 should be there, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 9 now, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column. For number 1, the 2 is missing. So here we have 2 boxes left in this big square for 9 and a 5. 9 and a 5. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 5 then, yes. 2 numbers left in the middle row for number 2 and a 6. 2 and the 6 are missing. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, is this video 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data and analyzing those for more than 7 weeks. 716 we have here, 716, 154, 154, 985, 985. Here we have the 1 as a pair, and the 5 as a pair. So we have here 2 pairs. All right, 2 pairs. Thank you. And I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Tectonic with 4 stars and a binary. Until then, bye-bye for now.